Station in Los Angeles. Sterling 339, same Mach number. Sterling 339, roger. Do not exceed Mach 0.78. That'll be for the station in LA. Thanks.
So 2016 is required for a contact launching takeoff 210. So 726, did you say field inside now, clocking 9 miles? 726, turn left heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8. So 1321, sky patrol clock 20 miles, close field inside. So 1321, clear visual approach runway 7 right. 1928, flooding 160, that's going to maintain 3000. South 26, clearing Mr. Bill.
Yeah, 230, taxi via Bravo Sierra, contact South Grand on Sierra, good night.
Alright, we'll do a Bravo Sierra and you say south on Montreal, ground on Sierra.
Okay, 230, affirmative. Ground will be, actually, you can combine, contact on 120.9. And evac 1, I'm sorry, I missed the destination. Are you,
American 2756, Albuquerque Center, good evening. No reason for flight submitted for Phoenix. American 2390, contact LA Center, 124.2, have a good night. American 2588, Albuquerque Center, good evening. Come and maintain level 330. Should be enough to work with very engaging lights out. Southwest 2330, descend via the Eagle 6, runway 8, Phoenix altimeter 2981, speed as published. Closer 330, that is correct, and Phoenix altimeter 2981, speed as published. Number 200, Juliet Papa, the Prescott altimeter 3011. Oh, 2230, 26, I think. American 2756, descend via the Eagle 6, runway 8, speed as published, altimeter 2981. Southwest 3816, Albuquerque Center, good evening to you. After Yost, please directed at Ouray, come and maintain a level 350, tipping upwards, engage lights out. Area 5967, Albuquerque Center, good evening to you. Good direct El Paso. Area 5967, affirmative, good El Paso, Echo Lima Papa. American 1439, Sendai Albuquerque Center, 124.32. Have a good night. Frontier Flight 751, Albuquerque Center, good evening, students. The indicated airspeed. Frontier Flight 751, Roger, maintain 300 knots, if unable to survive. Frontier Flight 751, clear direct to Eagle.